Oh, little Bobby, you play as... What do you mean? You like this? Oh, my little Bobby. Oh! You climb. You climb with brother. Ah! Oh, it's so cute. Oh, little Bobby. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I have two kittens here. Well, my mom and my sister Jenna are volunteering at Animal Friends, and we get to foster kittens. These are our first pair. His name right here is Bam, and the one climbing on my back, his name is Wow. Wow, do you not like the camera? Huh? Oh, you're a little Bubby Wow, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at that face. Okay, aren't they just adorable? I know, right? They like to fight and play a lot. So yeah, that's the end of the Kitties at Play video.